Now the students of physical education for class 11th, unit 7, test measurement and evolution. So students, today we will focus on the body mass index. It means BMI. It means we have to know regarding the any individual, the health of an individual is good or not. How we have to know about it? Through the BMI. Through this BMI, the purpose of the BMI is to measure the general health of individual and by body composition. So to measure the general health, it means the how we have to know the any person or any individual is healthy or not, or whatever the body composition is in the very good position or not, we have to know through the BMI. So for that we have to use the formula BMI is equal to body weight in kg. We will take the body weight in kg and upon height into height, means height square in meters. So we have to follow this table. There has three parts: category men and women. Number one category is underweight. For men it is less than 20, for women is less than 19. Then next category, healthy range. For men it is 20 to 25 and for women 90 to 24. Third category is overweight range. It is for men 26 to 30 and for women 25 to 30. Next category and last category is the obese range. It is for men more than 30 and for women is also more than 30. So we will see in this table whatever we will get the results. So through that formula we will use, if suppose anybody or any individual has a 90 kg body weight and the height of the individual is 1.80 meter. So we will take these things in this formula: 90 kg upon 1.80 into 1.80 meters. It means the height square. And again we will take 90 upon 3.24 meters. Then we will calculate this. Then we will get that 27.77. So these 27.77 means we will check in this table what is the result, in which category the 27.77 will come. So in this weight for men, if suppose it is the body weight of man, so we will see the men category. So it is the 27 will come in this category, 26 to 30 range. It is a range of overweight. So on the behalf of this formula or through this calculation, we will find out the BMI and we will check the individuals who is having a 90 kg weight and height is 1.80 meter. The BMI of that person or for that man is the category overweight range. So through that we have to know about the BMI, body mass index, about the individual. Thank you.